Yes, I can allow comments or I can deselect comments. And that's just a quick edit. And I can basically tell it exactly where to go here. So I'm not going to quick edit anything. I'm going to cancel. So all the pages I can edit from right here, or I can quick edit from here, or I can go directly to that page. So that is how you add or delete a page. Either add it or trash it. The next item is how to add and remove media from the site. Now, here is your media button. So I'm going to click on media, and it's going to show me either my videos or my pictures, all of them, all the media that's in the site. Okay, right now you have 38 items. Alright, so for media, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or remove media. You can add it by clicking add new right here, and you can edit or delete permanently right here. Now if you click edit, you can size up the media. What do I mean by that? You click edit image, and it allows you to do minor alterations to it. So I can make it smaller by scaling it. I can crop it, meaning cut off. I can invert it, rotate it different direction. Like for example, if I click that, it's gone the other way. If I click it back, it reverses. I can go up or down with it, flip vertically. I can flip it horizontally, and I can also undo it here. And if I click save, it would save. But I don't want to save it. And if I click add new, this is a little redundant, but it'll give me an idea of where do I want to take that media file from. So I can select files, or I can pull a file from my desktop and just drop it in here, and it'll upload. For example, if I select a file, I'm going to select something from my desktop. Let's see. Let's just select a picture. Oh yeah, look at me. I'm chilling. I click open, and it's going to upload the picture. Yep. And if I click edit, it's going to bring up the picture of me, and I can edit it however I want to. But since I'm not going to do that, I'm going back to the media, and I'm going to delete permanently. So that's how you add or delete your media. See, that picture is gone. So we know exactly how to add and remove media from the site. So step number 5, how to update the menu items. Now this is one of the more trickier things that we're going to do, because you actually have a menu card, and I'm clicking on that right now, and this is what's going to take the most time when it comes to updating your menu card. Alright, so let's go back to the site and let's go to the menu. This is your menu card, and this is all your menu items. So right now we have the soup of the day, which corresponds with soup of the day. So if I go and I click on this, edit, it's going to tell me exactly how I got this picture here. I set the featured image, I set that image from the media file as the featured image, and that's the reason why it shows up right there in the corner. There's another way to do it, to set an image in there. All you have to do is click add media. If I click add media, I can basically insert a file. I can insert this into the post and it will be there. So I could have it there, or I can just set it as the featured image. So I have that item set under recommended, right? Which is a category under the menu card. So it's under the lunch menu and it's called recommended. So if I go back now and I go to the menu card, I'm just going to show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Menu also has categories. So you can set up your menu as far as what you want these menu items to be by basically just creating one. And the slug is basically the same name of whatever it is in small letters. For example, if I go to quick edit, let's do quick edit. See, the name is desserts and the slug is desserts in small letters. So it's not really, but you have to tell the dessert where you want it to show up. For example, if I go to edit dessert, it's already there. But if I wanted dessert to show up under recommended or salad or meat or poultry or any of the main menu items, which are these, hold on, it's coming, these are the main menu items. If I wanted to basically have it show up there, I would have to choose it when I add a new one or a new category. Okay, so I added the soup of the day to the menu. Now this is going to take some work and some time to edit all of this, because especially if you want to add pictures, you can set up the menu however you want to, with or without prices, however you choose to do it. And we can edit this and make it, you know, a menu card with lunch and dinner in two separate things. Either that, or I can create a new page, eliminate all of this stuff, and basically make it a menu for the whole thing. But it you know, like I said, that's a little work, but it's not something that's not doable. It just takes a little time to do it. So we're going to move to step number 6, which is adding, deleting, and updating a menu tab. Now, a menu tab is not like a menu card, okay? And I'm going to show you the difference. This is the menu card. This is a menu tab. These are your main menu tabs. You have 4 of them. When I hover over them, Sogos menu says lunch and dinner, about us says about Sogos Restaurant, contact us, call us, and homepage says homepage. So how do we get these pages to be on the top and to be a menu? All right, we're going to go back to the dashboard, which we are, this is your main dashboard area over here on the left again, and we're going to go to appearance and we're going to go to menus. Now here is where you create a menu for the site. For example, if I want to add a new menu, I would actually go over here, click any one of these and click add to menu, and I can rename it whatever I want to. It'll show up in the top. For example, if I want to add event cards and I click add to menu, events page, I click save, and once I click save, I do a refresh right here, and you're going to see events is going to show up here. See, it says events. I click on it, there should be nothing there. Well, actually there is, because inside there is a page that's called event that is actually still public. But if I want, I can make that page unpublic. And this is in case you wanted to say, you know, throw an event for the New Year's or whatever it is, you know, spring or summer or whatever it is, you're having a carnival event or whatever it is, Sogos Restaurant. It'll be a good thing. You can put it on the website, people click on it, And you could also get sponsors for this, which is a good thing. So